sky where the cool winds blow. I spread my wings, let my spirit flow. Golden sunrise paints my way. A brand new world wakes up today. I don't need a map, I don't need a plan. The breeze will guide me across the land. Every branch, every tree feels like home to me. I sing like a bird, high above the ground. Melodies flying, a magical sound. Through the valleys, over the seas, my song is carried by the whispering breeze. I've seen the rivers, I've kissed the rain, danced in the thunder, soared through the pain. No cage can hold what's meant to be free. The sky is endless, just like me. I've seen the rivers, I've kissed the rain, danced in the thunder, soared through the pain. No cage can hold what's meant to be free. The sky is endless, just like me. I don't need a map, I don't need a plan. The stars will guide me across the land. Every cloud, every tree feels like home to me. I sing like a bird, high above the ground. Melodies flying, a magical sound. Through the valleys, over the seas, my song is carried by the whispering breeze. Oh, if you listen, you'll hear me call. A song of freedom, meant for all. No fear, no chains, no looking behind. Just open your wings, let your spirit shine. So sing like a bird, let your heart take flight. Chase the horizon, dance with the light.